What's up, guys? It is Friday morning. We are getting loaded up here to go to have a big day of fishing today. It's gonna be amazing. First thing, I guess I'll go over the plan with you today. What we're gonna be doing first thing is I'm gonna go get everything loaded up, and then I'm gonna go to Lava Pond. Sorry, I gotta watch my dogs. But anyways, loading everything up. Sorry, I'm a little congested, so I kind of sound funny. But we're loading everything up, going to Lava Pond. Going to Lava Pond today, and gonna try and get on some midday bass there. I'll be there around lunchtime. Fish there for a few hours, then we're gonna come back home, and then we're gonna load the boat up, hook it up, head on down to the lake, do some bass fishing down there on the nearby lake with a friend of mine, and then get into some hybrid bass fishing tonight. I'll have the camera with me at all times. Not sure if you guys can see much of the hybrid bass fishing. I'll do my best, but it's gonna be pitch black dark by like 6 o'clock. You know, time change sucks. So yeah, I guess I'll try my best to get you guys some footage of the hybrid bass fishing. I'll probably just end up doing something like I did last time when I had hybrid bass fishing footage. I didn't show you guys anything but the one, the fish catch that I got that night, and I probably won't show you guys anything but the actual fish catch tonight when we get one. So, or 2 or 10, who knows. So anyways, I'm gonna finish loading up right now, put all the stuff in the truck, and then I'll see you guys at the pond, right? Oh, and one more thing before we go. It's very windy today. I mean, it's very windy. So audio is going to be 100% trash all day. I just know it is, and I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that it's going to be that bad. But you guys might know, fall fishing in the wind, like that's what we want. And I had a dream about last night. It was fish windswept bank or something like that. Windswept riprap, which is like this whole bank on one of these on what am I trying to say? It's like riprap is like one of the entire banks on this pond. I mean, it is like a good 100-foot stretch, and depending on which way the wind's going, I could be fishing windswept riprap today. So maybe it's a dream come true. I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the pond. Alright, very windy. There it is, boys. There it is. There it is. He scarfed it. Look at that. Oh my God. I thought it was a log I got hooked up on. No, it was a big fish. Alright, he's bleeding. I'm gonna hurry and put him back and get a weight on him. 4 1/4. So I just want to pause this video for just a second, and I want to, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I think, okay, so I recently started YouTube, as you could probably tell, and I never really, like, took into consideration how much Mother Nature could really I never took into consideration how much Mother Nature could actually punch you in the face with, like, some disrespect, son. Like, I understand that, like, right now, you know, my camera equipment and all that stuff is not very good. You know, I'm using just, like, a regular little GoPro. I don't have any kind of special microphones. or anything like that. So, for, you know, it's really obvious in, especially this video, that it's really obvious that wind is an issue. So I know I said in the beginning of this video that it was going to be windy. What are you doing? I know I said in the beginning of this video that it was going to be really windy and that, you know, you should expect it, but, like, now that I'm going through and I'm putting this video together and editing this video, like, this wind is so bad. Like, it's super frustrating because, like, I'm trying to put out a good video for you guys, and I want this channel to keep growing, and I want to put out some good quality content, but, you know, it's nature, and unfortunately, nature is not always going to put up with me and give me what I want. But I know I'm just rambling on. Anyways, again, I'm sorry for the wind. I'm going to try to go in this video and reduce the wind noise if I can edit that out of it. I know I've done it before, and it's really difficult, and it messes with the audio when I'm talking. So that's going to be a whole lot of work. I don't know if I can do it or not. But I'll try and go through and try and reduce some of this wind noise and hopefully make this video a little bit better for you guys. Alright, let's get back to it. That's a little large enough, about 2 pounds. Well, I wasn't recording, but I caught this one just now. Little tiny guy, about a pound. Alright.
Missed him. Nope, missed him again. He must be small. One more try. That was not the right cast, but okay. Got him. He is a little bitty. Little guy. Oh, little baby spot. Huh. See ya. Ooh, right to the eye. A little spot. Nope, large. See you, dude. Figures. Got him? Get him in.
It's alright.
He didn't like that. See, he didn't like that. Yeah, he's probably about 3 or 4. Maybe 5. He's pretty big. Let me pull us off this. Alright, don't fall in. I'm gonna move us. Honestly, I don't really think it's just luck of the draw.
You just bored.
Get in there. All right.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna say 3.7 without holding him.
I'm going 4.
You're going 4? Let me help you.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
3.6. All right.
You gotta consider that.
So I'm finally getting around to putting this video together. I know it's taking forever. I'm sorry. Just been slacking because of this holiday weekend, but it's coming. In the edit, I realized I forgot to do an outro. So, awesome. Anyways, at the end of our fishing trip that night, we ended up catching like only 3 fish at the lake that night. So we caught the one hybrid that you just saw, and then we caught a largemouth later on, and then another hybrid off camera as well. Both those other fish were off camera, and then eventually my camera died like usual. But it was late and we were leaving anyways when it did die. So yeah, you didn't miss much. I'd like to try and upgrade my camera equipment in some kind of way to be able to film at night. I don't know how I'll be able to do this. Maybe I can find some kind of a low light camera and then actually use like really like kind of dim lights that will help, you know, show you guys what's going on. I don't know, we'll get to that, but I'm rambling. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. With the weather right now, it's kind of crappy outside. I'm not sure when it's going to kind of, you know, get decent. We will be doing some more fishing here, I'm sure, here within the next week or so. And I'll try to get a video together for you guys that hopefully you will enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
Don't forget to leave a comment below if you want to say something. Send me a challenge or whatever you want to do. Don't forget to like as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Pound it.